Today we're doing Mexican street corn, otherwise known as elote, on the Weber Searwood with a little twist at the end. This is an absolutely delicious way to enjoy corn and a chance to try something a little different on your grill.
Basement.
We start by placing the corn directly on the searwood running at 375 degrees. Don't worry too much about the hanging fibers, those will mostly burn away. Close the grill lid. After 5 minutes or so, flip your corn over. You should start to see a little browning of individual kernels. While the corn continues to cook, we're going to cut some lime wedges. Now rotate the corn once we start to see more kernels browning. It's been another few minutes and we're going to call these done. All in all, it should take somewhere between 20 and 30 minutes to cook the corn at 375. With this beautiful corn ready to go, we're going to take it inside and prepare to eat. First, we cut the ends off both sides of each cob. Stab one end of the cob with a wooden skewer. We're using traditional Mexican crema and using a gravy boat to pour it on. We found this at our local Harris Teeter. Roll the corn cobs around in that crema. Next, we're going to sprinkle traditional Mexican cotija cheese, also found at the local Harris Teeter. But you can substitute almost any cheese here, such as Parmesan. Apply chili powder all the way around. Followed by smoked paprika. And a squeeze of lime. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Prior to cooking the corn, we sizzled some bacon on the searwood's griddle attachment. Once it was ready, we crumbled it into a bowl. For the second twist, we cut the ends off of a few jalapenos. And chopped them in the food processor. Now we combine the crumbled bacon and the chopped jalapenos onto a plate. We added one more pouring of the crema onto the cobs and rolled them into the jalapeno bacon mix. And with that, we're ready to eat.
All right, man, we did it.
They look great.
They look amazing. Let's give this a shot.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, it's good.
Mexican street corn with jalapeno and bacon.
I love it. Spicy.
Wow.
Very good. This does it. Messy like we like it.
Nice side dish to whatever your main meal is, or on its own, to be honest. Kids are gonna love this, would you agree?
Yeah, it's super good.
You think they'll want the jalapeno or just the bacon?
It's a little spicy.
Yeah.
Which we love.
A lot of things you can do on the Weber Searwood. This is the first time we're not doing meat, but this is, I would say, right up there.
Yeah, it's top.
Cheers.
Tip tops.